Right, today I am doing an unboxing and a review of a CCTV camera from Victure. It costs around about £60, and as always I will stick a link in the video description for you to go and check it out. It's a 1080p, so it's not a 4K, but 1080p should be good enough for what we want it for, hopefully. Nicely packaged by Amazon. Well done, Amazon. Yes, I bought it from Amazon, so it says Victure. It's a PC660 wireless security camera, and nothing much to look at really. 1920 by 1080, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, will not work on 5 gigahertz. Motion detection, two-way audio, 360 panoramic view, and IP66 waterproof. So with that, let's get it open. Oh, nicely packaged. So look, thank you card, I would have thought. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Yep. Installation manual, I will be reading that later. So let's have a look, see what you get for your money. So an aerial, screw in one. A little screwdriver, very handy, hopefully. Some raw plugs and some screws, which I will probably need and use. It comes with 3. The actual body itself, and I think that is probably it. Just check underneath, because you never know, there might be something hidden underneath. Yeah, I told you. No, nothing else. So yeah, there was something hidden underneath. Right, put that back, get that out of the way. So it comes with a plug. Get that out. So just a standard USB type plug, which I've got quite a few of these now actually. And let's have a look at the main body. So the lead looks quite long. So it comes with a network connection, so you could use hardwire or wireless. So it gives you the option. 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 now. It's made of plastic and it's supposed to be waterproof. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have a quick measure up of the cable and tell you exactly how long it is, or roughly how long it is. I'm not going to tell you exactly how long it is because you might hold it against me. Right, so I've had a measure up and it's approximately 2.3 meters long from there to the end of the USB connection, approximately. So where does this go? That looks really easy, so that just screws on the back, and that'd be about it, I would have thought. We just need to read the instructions, see what software I need to download. So with that, I'm going to have a read of the instructions and I'm going to set it all up. So I've had a quick read of the instructions. There's not that much to read, and all you need to do is download an app called Digicam, which I've already got installed and I've already registered with it. I've already had this installed for another camera that I've got, and basically you press the plus button, like so, to add, connect to your Wi-Fi, like so, and then turn your camera on. But before we turn the camera on, we need to do one of 2 things. First one is to put a memory card in. You don't have to use a memory card, there are other options, like you could use a cloud or something like that, but I am going to put a memory card in. It's only a little one, it's only a 32 gig one, just to do a looping recording. So basically it will record, when it's full up it will just carry on and start again. So we'll delete the oldest one, just keep going like that. So yeah, so take this cover off, which is not easy by the way. Like so, that's that. Press the reset button, which is there. I'm going to press that anyway. Hold it down for a couple of seconds. Doesn't actually tell you to do that, but I like to do that anyway. Stick your memory card in. One thing to bear in mind when you're putting this card in, there's a little gap there, so you can easily lose your memory card down there, and if you do, it's going to be a bugger to get out. So just be a bit careful and make sure you put it around the right way. Around the right way. So push it in, make sure it clicks and that's in, and put the cover back on. Right, right, so now we've done that, we're going to plug her in, let her calibrate, and then we're ready to set her up. So give it a few seconds. And that's it. So now we're going to set her up. Wait for the bleeps. Log into your Wi-Fi. Scan so.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Oh, there you go.
Wi-Fi is connected. Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now. Pairing is successful.
Sorted. I'm going to skip the cloud. Right, let's see how she works. Oh, there she is. Tap here to view camera. Shows you how to do it all. So how do you turn it? Ah, I see. Ah, that's better. Right way up now. This is really good. Right, I haven't had a chance to put it on a wall yet because it's summer and it keeps raining. So I haven't had a chance to do it, but as soon as I get out there, as soon as it stops raining, maybe by the end of next week, I will hang it on a wall, either at the back or at the front. I have a camera at the front already, but I might swap them around, put the one at the front at the back and this one at the front. I haven't decided yet which way round I'm going to go. Originally I was going to put it at the back, but I'm thinking, quite like this one, I might stick it out the front. So I don't know yet. I haven't decided. I will decide at a later date as soon as the weather clears up. So yeah, it is really easy to use. It works extremely well, as you can see. It's got 360 degrees, so it's really cool. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it. Definitely gets my thumbs up, and I hope you found this video informative, and I hope it helps you decide whether or not you want to invest in one of these. This costs around about £60, so it's not cheap, but you get what you pay for. It looks like it's good quality. It's only plastic, but it looks like it's been well made. It looks like it's quite weatherproof, so hopefully it will last quite a few years. I'm happy with it, and I will be using it from now on, once I get it on the wall, that is. So with that, I hope you found this video informative, and I hope it helped you decide whether or not you want to get something like this. So thank you very much for watching.